Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTecher. In this, I'm going to do the Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS drop test in the Realme GT device after the recent Realme UI 3.0 second update. Yes friends, just a couple of, I think yesterday I did receive the software update in the Realme GT device, and let's see friends how is the FPS going to maintain in this kind of Realme GT after this update. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. And is the floating FPS meter which I'll try to use during this process of demonstration, and is the Realme gaming triggers as well, which I do have right now. So these are the Realme gaming triggers. Let's see whether we'll be able to play it exactly 90 FPS or not in the Realme GT during this process. So we'll be able to find out the results. So right now I'm trying to select exact 90 FPS only. That's the reason you're trying to see real-time floating FPS meter also saying 90 FPS. As you can see, that's kind of enabled. Not bad. So I did select only 90 FPS at this moment of demonstration, and let me know to play the game. Normal team deathmatch in this process, just to show you how is the FPS going to handle in the Snapdragon 888 processor. And let's check the temperatures. It's of 32 degrees at this moment. Not bad. I'll try to play the couple of minutes of gameplay just to show you friends how is the FPS drop going to be there in this Realme GT. And right now you'll be able to see exactly real-time FPS and how much we are getting. As you can see, it's maintaining 90 FPS perfectly alright. So as you can see friends, it's maintaining definitely 90 FPS. Not bad. So let me know in the comments section friends, what are other phones you want me to do the testing with the 90 FPS Battlegrounds mobile game. So overall 85 FPS, not bad. So right now as you can see friends, it's maintaining pretty good FPS count, 87. As you can see, overall it's maintaining pretty good. Not bad. So definitely friends, Snapdragon 888 processor feels very smooth. By default we do get 90 FPS, so there should not be any kind of problem by default with the 90 FPS. As you can see, friends, overall FPS no problem till one match, perfectly all right. So let's see, friends, what is the temperatures right now after one match of playing 33.8 degrees Celsius, 34 degrees Celsius, not bad. So regarding the temperatures also. So after some updates, the temperature started to get low little by little while playing the Battlegrounds mobile game in the Realme GT. So which I did observe. So right now I'll try to show you exactly what is the FPS drop. So while in the boot camp, let me try to finish even that round. So I can be back once everything is set. So right now we should be able to see, friends, exactly how much the FPS drop is. So exactly in the boot camp we are gonna drop. So let's see what will be the FPS drop finally. And you will be able to monitor exactly the FPS count, how much it is. So it dropped to 79 right now, but don't think, let's see. So this is after the recent Realme UI second beta update. So there will be two batches, I think so, regarding the beta update. So first beta update released 1.5 months back, 50 days back, and right now it dropped to 64 as well. The FPS dropped to 64 during the process of demonstration. Overall, it was able to maintain really good stable FPS, friends, nothing much major problems. This is, friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and this is a quick Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS test in the Realme GT device. So meanwhile, signing off. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.